Let me introduce you to Chicken Hashbrown Casserole. This casserole is the ultimate go-to for busy weeknights. It'll be ready in under an hour and it screams comfort food. Welcome back to Dinner and a Side. I'm Angie.
And I'm Laura. We're sisters cooking from two different states, but always with the same goal, to make dinner easy, fun, and super tasty.
This week, we decided to have a casserole cook-off.
We did this recently at a family get-together. We both brought our favorite casseroles, and it somehow turned into a competition to see whose would be crowned the victor. So today, we're giving you both recipes, one today and one on Saturday, and we're hoping that you'll make them both and tell us which one you like best.
It's a friendly competition, so no hurt feelings here. But I do think you're gonna choose mine. I've made it so many times that I've lost count. I even freeze it and send it home with my grown-up son so he can have just a little taste of home once in a while. Trust me, you're gonna love it.
Okay, Angie, you're up first. I'll see you guys on Saturday.
We're starting with bacon, because obviously everything is better with bacon, right? I like to cook my bacon in the air fryer. It's way less messy than cooking it on the stovetop. You'll want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grease an 8x8 casserole dish. As with most of our recipes, this casserole is going to feed about 4 people, so it's in a smaller dish. If you want to use a 9x13, just double the recipe. I'm using my really big bowl for this. Laura calls it Santa because it's so red.
And so big.
Our mom had a really big bowl like this too, and it was used for all kinds of things. Popcorn on movie night, candy for Halloween, mixing up a big batch of reindeer crunch, which you really need to grab this recipe right here.
Oh, I forgot. She used that for everything. Do any of your moms have big bowls they used for everything?
I need a lot of space. I don't want to be mixing this up in a tiny bowl, or I'm going to have hash browns everywhere. By the way, make sure to take your cream cheese out at least 30 minutes in advance. It will mix up way easier and then you won't have to wrestle it with a spoon. Add 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, half a cup of sour cream, and a 1/4 cup of melted butter. Whisk it together until it's smooth and silky. Now add in 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half the cooked bacon, and half the shredded cheddar. That's about half a cup. Once that's mixed, fold in your thawed hash browns, about 15 ounces, and 2 cups of cooked cubed chicken breast. There are 2 great shortcuts for this recipe. You can use frozen hash browns, and you could also cut up a rotisserie chicken. We're trying to make things easy here, not overcomplicate the ingredients. Dinner doesn't have to be a chore. We're just making tasty food. Now pour it into your greased baking dish and smooth it out. Pop it into the oven for 35 minutes. In case you want to see all of the ingredients, the full recipe is down below in the description, or you can find it on our website, A Food Lover's Kitchen, where we have tons of other recipes for you to try. And while you're down there, hit the subscribe button so that we can feed you many more great dinners. You'll know it's ready when it starts to get bubbly around the edges. This looks perfect. Now we're going to make it even better. Sprinkle on the rest of your bacon and cheddar. Then put it back into the oven for about 15 more minutes until the top is golden and melted. Let it set for 5 to 10 minutes before you serve it. It'll help it set up just a little bit and you'll avoid those 3rd-degree cheese burns. Finish with some sliced green onions on top. These give it a little zip and make it look a little fancier.
I'll admit, it does look really fancy despite the hash browns. I'm actually pretty jealous right now.
Seriously, this is one of those casseroles you're gonna want to double just for the leftovers. I like the hash browns. It's a unique way to add potatoes, and the shredded chicken gives it extra texture, even with that cheesy, creamy sauce. Don't forget to come back on Saturday to check out Laura's casserole. It's a real contender. But for now, let us suggest even more great dinner combos for you to try. Get started right here, and then let us know which ones you're making.